Ever dream of making money fast? Imagine sitting at your computer, watching the numbers change and knowing that with each tick, your bank account could be growing. I'm talking about turning a couple of hours into a serious chunk of change. Picture this. You start your day with a plan, a strategy, and a bit of courage. That's exactly what we're diving into today, making $400 in just 2 hours by trading stocks. It's not just about the money, it's about the thrill, the excitement, and the satisfaction of a well-executed trade. And trust me, I've got a surprise ending you won't see coming. This journey is full of twists and turns, and the destination is just as exhilarating as the ride. Now, I'm not promising you'll be swimming in cash overnight. Day trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a skill, an art, and it requires patience and practice. But with the right knowledge and a sprinkle of strategy, you can learn to navigate the exciting world of day trading. We'll break down the basics, from understanding market trends to executing trades with precision. We'll use real-time examples from the Nifty 50, India's top 50 stocks, to break it all down. These stocks are the backbone of the Indian economy, and understanding them can give you a significant edge. Get ready to unlock the potential of your portfolio. This isn't about luck. It's about making informed decisions, analyzing data, and staying ahead of the curve. It's about taking control of your financial future. Imagine the freedom that comes with financial independence, the ability to make choices without worrying about money. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a thrilling journey into the heart of the stock market. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a complete beginner, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive in and see what the market has in store for us today. Before you even think about placing a trade, you need two things: solid research and a well-defined strategy. Think of it like this. You wouldn't climb Mount Everest without proper gear and a plan, would you? Start by understanding the companies you're interested in. What do they do? How's their financial health? What are the market trends affecting their industry? This is called fundamental analysis. Next, delve into the world of technical analysis. Look at charts, identify patterns, and familiarize yourself with indicators like moving averages and the relative strength index, or RSI. These tools help you predict price movements. Remember, knowledge is power in the stock market. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Let's bring this to life with a real-world example. Tata Motors, a heavyweight in the Nifty 50. This company has been a significant player in the automotive industry for decades, known for its innovation and resilience. Imagine you're watching Tata Motors on a day when positive news about their electric vehicle sales hits the market. The announcement is a game changer, indicating a strong future for the company in the rapidly growing EV sector. You notice the stock price starting to climb. The green candlesticks on the chart are a clear indication that investors are reacting positively to the news. Looking at the moving averages, you see a bullish crossover, signaling potential upward momentum. This technical indicator is often used by traders to predict future price movements, and in this case, it suggests that the stock could continue to rise. The RSI, meanwhile, is hovering around 70, suggesting the stock is in overbought territory. This means that the stock has been heavily bought and might be due for a pullback, but it also indicates strong buying interest. Armed with this information, you decide to buy Tata Motors shares at a specific price, anticipating a further rise. You carefully place your order, confident in your analysis and the positive market sentiment. As expected, the positive sentiment continues to drive the price up. You're making a profit. The stock's upward trajectory is a testament to the market's confidence in Tata Motors' future prospects. However, you know the importance of taking profits. It's crucial to have a strategy in place to lock in gains and not get greedy. You set a target price based on your analysis and sell your shares when reached, locking in your gains. This disciplined approach ensures that you capitalize on the stock's rise without risking a potential downturn. That's how you ride the Nifty wave. By staying informed, analyzing key indicators, and having a clear strategy, you can make the most of market opportunities and achieve trading success. Decoding the charts. Infosys and the power of indicators. Now, let's shift our focus to Infosys, another Nifty 50 giant. Infosys, a global leader in technology services and consulting, has a significant presence in the stock market. Its performance is closely watched by investors and analysts alike. This time, imagine the market is jittery due to global economic concerns. News headlines are filled with uncertainties, and traders are on edge, trying to make sense of the fluctuating market conditions. Infosys's stock price is fluctuating, making it harder to predict its next move. The volatility is evident as the stock price swings up and down, reflecting the market's nervousness. This is where technical indicators become your best friend. These tools help traders make sense of the chaos by providing insights into potential price movements. You notice the stock is trading within a defined range, forming what's called a channel. This pattern indicates that the stock price is moving between two parallel lines, creating opportunities for strategic trades. The RSI, or Relative Strength Index, is oscillating between 30 and 70, indicating a period of consolidation. This means the stock isn't trending strongly in either direction, but rather moving sideways. Based on this pattern, you decide to employ a range trading strategy. This involves buying the stock when it is near the lower boundary of the channel and selling it when it approaches the upper boundary. You buy Infosys shares near the lower boundary of the channel and sell them as they approach the upper boundary. This strategy allows you to capitalize on the predictable price movements within the channel. Each time the stock bounces between these levels, you capitalize on the price swings. The key is to stay vigilant and act quickly to maximize your gains. By understanding and interpreting these technical signals, you can navigate even the most volatile markets. Technical analysis provides a roadmap, helping you make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a novice, mastering these indicators can significantly enhance your trading strategy and boost your confidence in the market. Beyond the numbers, where fundamentals meet technicals. While technical analysis is crucial, never underestimate the power of fundamental analysis. Remember our Tata Motors example? Positive news about their electric vehicles fueled the stock's rise. That's the power of fundamentals. Strong earnings reports, innovative product launches, and positive industry trends can all significantly impact a stock's performance. Conversely, negative news can send prices tumbling. Therefore, successful day trading requires a holistic approach. Combine technical analysis with a deep understanding of the companies you're trading. Look for stocks with strong fundamentals that are also displaying favorable technical setups. Remember, it's not about picking one over the other. It's about using both to make the most informed trading decisions. Day Trading Toolkit. Tips for maximum profits. Ready to dive into the world of day trading? Here are some practical tips to maximize your chances of success. Start small. Don't go all in right away. Begin with a small amount of capital that you're comfortable with. Set realistic goals. Making $400 in 2 hours is achievable, but don't expect to get rich overnight. Manage your risk. Always use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Stay disciplined. Stick to your trading plan and avoid emotional decisions. Never stop learning. The market is constantly evolving. Stay updated on new strategies and trends. Remember, day trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, discipline, and a constant thirst for knowledge. The unexpected twist, your path to financial freedom starts now. I promised you a surprise, didn't I? Here it is. The real treasure isn't just the $400 you can make in 2 hours. It's the financial freedom that comes with mastering the stock market. Imagine having the skills and confidence to grow your wealth, achieve your financial goals, and live life on your terms. That's the true power of trading. And it all starts with taking that first step. So, here's your call to action. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. Begin your trading journey today. Educate yourself, develop a strategy, and start exploring the exciting world of the stock market. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your financial dreams is the decision to start. Now go out there and make it happen.